Hello everyone, today we are going to solve a very important problem from module 2 of vector calculus on the topic of direction derivative. So the equation given in terms of phi equal to x square yz plus 4x z square at a 1 comma minus 2 comma minus 1. This is a point which is given here along with the 2I minus j minus 2 which is this is the direction which is given here. So first we are looking for gradient of phi. Del phi which is equal to differentiate the phi term with respect to z along with the direction of I cap, j cap and k cap. So del phi y del x with respect to I vector plus del phi y del y with respect to j plus del phi y del z with respect to k. So first we go for del phi y del x. So what the differentiation of phi with respect to x is 2xyz plus 4z square. Now go for del phi y del y which is equal to x square z plus here no y term is there so it is equal to 0. So del phi y del y which is equal to x square z. Now go for third one del phi y del z. Del phi y del z which is equal to x square y plus 8xz. So this is our respective values which we have to put in this equation first. So our gradient of pi del phi equals to 2x yz plus 4z square of I vector plus x square z of z vector plus x square y plus 8xz of k vector. So we have to find this I cap, j cap, k cap with respect to the given point 1 comma minus 2 comma 1. So put the value of 1, x equals to 1, y equals to minus 2, z equals to minus 1 in this our gradient equation. So our gradient equation becomes, after putting these all points in this equation, is 2 into 1, x equal to 1, y equal to minus 2, z equals to minus 1 plus 4 into z is what the value of z minus 1. So 4 into minus 1 whole square. This is I cap plus what the value of x 1 square into minus 1 of j cap plus 1 square into minus 2 plus 8 into 1 into minus 1 of k cap. So our gradient of phi becomes 8 I cap minus j cap minus 10 k cap. This is our gradient of phi with respect to our vector form. So now we are looking for a unit vector along with the direction of 2 I cap minus j cap minus 2 k cap. So what is the formula of unit vector? Unit vector n cap be represented unit vector by n cap which is equal to n cap divided by under root a square plus b square plus c square. So what is the value of n? 2 I cap minus j cap minus 2 k cap along with under root 2 the square was the value of 2 or the value of a which is 2 is the coefficient of I cap, j cap and k cap plus minus 1 the whole square plus minus 2 the whole square. So it becomes 2i minus j minus 2k by under root 9. So n vector equals to 2i minus j minus 2k divided by 3. So this is our unit vector. Now we have to find the direction derivative. So what is the formula of direction derivative? Gradient of phi multiply unit vector. So this is the formula of direction derivative. So what is the value of n vector? 2i minus j minus 2k divided by 3 into what is the value of gradient of phi? 8i cap minus j cap minus 10k cap. 8i minus j minus 10k. So it becomes, so multiply it with the respective vector which is given there. So 8i cap multiplied by 2i cap and 1, what the coefficient of I vector is 1, so 1 multiply 1 and 10 with respect to 2. So the direction derivative becomes 8 into 2 plus minus 1 into minus 1 plus minus 10 into minus 2 divided by 3. So it becomes 37 by 3. This is our directional derivative. Thank you.